weather, rain, wind, and just a bunch of crap. So I threw a small bag together with some awesome stuff, and I thought I'd hit the water. Let's go check it out.
Yeah. Okay, Mr. Newman, lifetime fishing. ID? Okay, man.
Thank you. Appreciate what you guys do. There's one right there. Oh, that's a big one. That's a giant. That's a giant. That is a giant. That is a giant. Look at that, guys. Terminator, 3 1/4 ounce spinnerbait, and a nice smallmouth right there. She is beautiful. I knew if I took my time and was patient, I would have myself a nice fish on the way. Let her go there. All right, there she goes. Absolute beauteous. There's one. There's another. Oh, he's lazy. There he goes. He's freaking out now. Oh, there's another. Another nice fish. He's got a messed up eye. Still got one good one though. There's another one. And there's another. Another nice fish. See, if you don't break the law, you'll be good. Fucking dead weight.
Hold on. You want to see something? See how much he weighs.
Nice fish. Got him?
Yep.
What is he, about 2.5, 3?
Yeah, 2 pounds.
Nice.
See? Now you don't have to guess.
Damn! Nice. Oh, that's a nice fish right there. He freaking destroyed my spinnerbait though. There we go. Let's see how much this boy weighs. Got him?
Yep. That moment.
Chill, chill, chill.
I'll say 4.
4 pounds? Nice fish.
Bye.